Hi folks, it's Jeff Levin here, and today we're talking about a water filtration system called the Sawyer Mini, and this is perfect for if you're out in the wilderness or you're out in an area and you need to filter some water. Who would use this? Probably people like backpackers or anybody in a survival situation or camping. And so we're going to talk about this very briefly. Now, this is it. This is the solar mini itself, and it's about 1.3 ounces, so it's very light, and it's actually a fantastic system. Now, it uses a hollow fiber that's rated at 0.1 microns and will actually eliminate 99.999% of all bacteria and protozoa. Now, this will not remove heavy metals or chemicals. So the trick there is make sure you don't fill, fill your water bottle near something like a nuclear power plant or any industrial plant, and it should be good to go. So this particular system is rated at being able to clean 100,000 gallons of water. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't think in my lifetime I'm going to be able to filter 100,000 gallons of water. So that means this is pretty much going to last all of your life. And so, yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a nice little system. It's very small, and it packs up very easily into any bag. Now, we've got two ends here. This is the end that you drink from, and this is the end that you actually harvest the water from. And this is flooded. Now, this fits actually most of your normal standard drink bottles, as you can see here. So any Coke bottles or anything like that, yeah, it's going to fit those. And that makes it extra handy. Now it comes with a few different options, a few different things. One of them is this 16-ounce drink bottle, which folds down like so. And it has full instructions on both sides of the best ways to use this. So what you basically do though is you would fill this with your contaminated water and then screw your system on top there, and you can drink straight from it, or you can empty it into a bottle that you are going to use to carry with you. So that's really good right there. Something else that it comes with is this heavy-duty plastic straw. And this is great if you want to drink straight from the source. You can even drink from a puddle with something like this. It's going to just clean it amazingly. And I have seen videos on this on the internet. It works just fine. It really does. Now we're going to talk about backwash, and your system also comes with this here. And what this does is probably every 5 or 10 gallons of water that you filter through this, you want to backwash it. Now, of course, that all depends on how dirty the water is that you were filtering in the first place. But you just put that up there and squirt water through it, and you must do that 4 or 5 times with clean water. So obviously this is something you're going to do when you get home or get to a clean water source. And so, yeah, basically there you go. That's the Sawyer mini water filtration system. And it's not expensive, less than $30 US. And I just keep in this little bag here, along with all the bits and pieces. And this rides in my get home bag. There you go. The Sawyer mini water filtration system. Check it out. They're on Amazon, and or you can go straight to the Sawyer factory and order them from there. Okay, folks. Take care. See you next time. Bye.